Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's already writing emails, creating videos, answering customer questions, and even replacing human workers. Experts believe millions of jobs could disappear in the coming years. But which jobs are in danger first? Here are 5 jobs AI is most likely to replace before anyone expected. Number 5. The first major target is customer support jobs. Today, AI chatbots can answer questions instantly, work 24 hours a day, and handle thousands of customers at the same time. Many companies are already replacing human agents with AI systems because they are cheaper and faster. In the future, calling customer care may feel completely different. You might never speak to a real human again.
Number 4. Data entry and basic office work. Data entry jobs are disappearing rapidly. AI can now read documents, organize files, fill spreadsheets, and process information in seconds. Tasks that once needed entire office teams can now be completed by software automatically. Even simple accounting and scheduling jobs are starting to become automated. For businesses, AI means lower costs. For workers, it means competition against machines that never get tired.
Number 3. Content writing. This one surprises many people. AI can now write articles, advertisements, scripts, captions, and even stories. Tools powered by AI are already helping companies create content faster than human writers. Some websites now publish hundreds of AI-generated articles every day. Human creativity still matters, but basic writing jobs may slowly disappear as companies focus on speed and cost. The scary part? Most people can't even tell whether something was written by a human or AI anymore.
Number 2. Drivers. Self-driving technology is improving faster than expected. Companies are investing billions into AI-powered cars, trucks, and delivery systems. Imagine a future where taxis drive themselves. No drivers, no brakes, no salaries. Truck drivers, delivery workers, and taxi drivers could face huge changes over the next decade. Although fully autonomous vehicles are still developing, the direction is clear. AI wants the steering wheel.
Number 1. Graphic design and video editing. Perhaps the biggest shock is creative work. AI can now generate logos, edit videos, create animations, remove backgrounds, and even produce realistic art within seconds. Tasks that once took hours can now happen instantly. Small businesses may stop hiring designers because AI tools are becoming cheaper and easier to use. Even movie studios are experimenting with AI-generated visuals. The line between human creativity and machine creation is starting to blur.
But here's the truth. AI may replace some jobs, but it will also create new ones. The people who survive this new era won't be the strongest. They'll be the ones who adapt fastest. So the real question is not, will AI replace humans? Are humans ready for the future? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more future tech and what-if content. And tell us in the comments, which job do you think AI will replace next?